What's up, y'all? It's Chastin J Miles, and the flip is almost done. I'm gonna show you what's been completed. Let's go ahead and check it out.
They been on their ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. Niggas beside me.
All right, coming right in, you can see new floors have been put everywhere. So we did this style of floor all over the house. This is the tile that's gonna go in the bathrooms. It's not up yet, but we got a nice tile. Baseboards right there. They've been putting them in. It's getting done. New sheetrock. Electrical is all wired, all new electrical. I'm in one of the bedrooms right now. This will give you a pretty good idea of how everything will look when it's done. The baseboards, the floors, we got to put on covers, and then there's the lighting, so the can lighting everywhere. So this is the primary bedroom, and we didn't do much to this room. However, the biggest thing we did is to the bathroom. The bathroom was tiny, and so we split up two bathrooms. So we made a hallway bathroom and the master bedroom bathroom. We made it a lot bigger. So this is the master bathroom. We added this shower in here, and it's actually a big shower. It didn't have that before. And we'll have the vanity on that side, and then where I'm standing is where the toilet will go. These walls just got put up because we had to do some plumbing stuff with the city, and so now everything's permitted, plumbed, so we're working on the bathrooms now. So he's working on the tile in the bathroom right now. So that's the same tile I showed you in the other room, and this is the secondary or hallway bathroom. Kitchen is gonna go right here, and before it was closed off, so we opened this up. There's gonna be an eat-in kitchen area, and on the other side of that wall is actually the dining room. So right here we'll have the big full island, the cabinets on the walls there with the appliances, all of that good stuff, to now make a big open concept. All right, y'all, so those are the most recent updates. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notifications icon so that way you get updated when I release the next video. And let me know down in the comments what y'all think and how I should do those colors. I'm Chastin J Miles, and I'll see you soon.
Bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. Niggas beside get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. I got a show and she dipping them nails. I'm flipping my L's, I know they can tell. I did it too major, they hit me for favors. Been him since the cable was cut in the cradle. What's up, only right that I do it colossal until I'm a boss, so they want me to fail. Look, we prevail. Tell them to point out who said it, they run it. Bitch, I'm on your tail. Know that they talking, they telling them tales.